beauties, welcome back to my channel. For the ones that's just discovering me right now, my name is Shweta Vijay and welcome to my space. I hope you'll really stick around by hitting that red button, following me on all my social media platform. The entire information is there in the description bar so that there's no more excuse for all of you to just, simply avoid me. Today we have a very exciting video because many of you have been asking me basically if I've been working out since I've lost a lot of weight according to all of you, which I have, but it has nothing to do with workouts. I'm not proud of it. For the last 2 months, I've not worked out. I cannot do any strenuous exercise only because I suffer from plantar fasciitis. I hope I've got that name right. Basically, I have damaged the nerves that is around my heel area and it is extremely painful for me to even put my foot down. So ever since Jitu got here, Abhijit, I call him Jitu basically, Giri and I have been incorporating a lot of juice in our diet, and I'm talking about really good vegetable juice and fruit juice. And that has been a substitute for our meal many a times. Okay, so maybe we have a juice for breakfast, or maybe it's for lunch, or maybe it's for dinner. And I prefer to have it for dinner only because it's something that it's almost like a liquid diet that you're having. It's liquid food, which is easily digestible, and we try to make sure that we have it. So if you want to lose weight, you can have it before 7 o'clock. Jitu's whole job back in INTERCON is to combine different vegetables and fruits together to make healthy drinks that is open for the guest. The reason we are showing you 4 options is that your body will never get bored of it. You can alternate it every other day. You can, like day 1, you can do fresh juice number 1 or 2 vegetable juice, like that. You can alternate it and you're not going to get bored. So without wasting much time, let's get into the kitchen where Jitu is waiting, and he is going to teach you those 4 drinks that are a complete hit at the INTERCON, and obviously it is going to be something that you are absolutely going to love. Okay guys, so please make sure it is the freshest of ingredients, fresh juice with no added sugar, and over here Tesco and M&S provides the finest, freshest of pineapple and orange juice. So first you need to chop up some red cabbage, around half a cup servings, and red cabbage is so good for the heart. It maintains the acid balance in your body, which is important for weight loss and health, and also it helps in promoting and building that muscle and protein. It's so high in potassium and it's a superfood which is great in antioxidants and fiber, and you require that fiber especially when you're not having solid food and you're having liquid food. Then Jitu adds a handful of blueberry, which is low in calories but is high in nutrients, and blueberry is the king of antioxidant food, guys. It just reduces DNA damage, it protects you from aging, and it lowers the blood pressure. A complete winner of a food. Then we add pineapple juice, which is the freshest of all, and fresh pineapple juice contains vitamin C. It's just filled with antioxidants, so it helps skin from damage, it reduces wrinkles, and it improves skin texture. Vitamin C is known for collagen formation, and it is amazing for weight loss. Pineapple is so good for weight loss because it boosts high metabolism and digestion. And when you are losing weight, you also need to know that your skin texture also completely gets destroyed when you go through a drastic weight loss. So ingredients like this is going to just help that skin texture as well. So all you need to do is grind this up, drink it up, and trust me when I tell you, this is delicious. You're really going to thank me for all the drinks that we are showing you right now. So just drink it up. It's as simple as that. This is drink number 1. Alright, so this is drink number 2, and it has 3 simple ingredients, and we are starting off with kale, which is the most nutrient dense food on earth. It's loaded with antioxidants and it's an excellent source of vitamin C. It just helps in cholesterol, heart diseases, and it has vitamin K and B, which is very, very important for the body. And it's very high in fiber and water, which helps in digestion and prevents constipation, which aids in weight loss. You really need to have your tummy empty and clean to kickstart that weight loss program. Basically, Jitu just adds a cup of it, around 8 to 10 large leaves, and then he adds 1 banana, which helps in keeping your tummy full. And we all know how good banana is for you. It eases in digestion, it's filled with nutrients, it's high in potassium, and it just helps fight anemia. You need those red blood cells working hard for you during the weight loss because it helps fight fatigue, which usually happens when you are not eating too much of food, and also it helps with preventing that hair loss. And then he adds again fresh pineapple juice, which I've already told you what the benefits are, and this is simply delicious. This tastes like a milkshake, like a smoothie, okay, minus the dairy that goes into it, like the yogurt, and it's wonderful. It's just going to keep your tummy full. You can have this for dinner. All these drinks, I think you can substitute it during dinner time, and you're going to be really happy about this. Alright, it's time for the third drink, and we are starting off with parsley. And I could write a poetry about the benefits of this wonder herb, and it's not my favorite. I hate the taste of parsley, but in this drink you won't even notice it, I promise you. It has anti-cancer properties and it's high on antioxidant. Enough said. So to sum it up, it contains vitamin A, C and K, and is also high in iron. So Jitu adds half a cup of parsley, because with parsley less is more, even for health reasons too. Then he adds banana, which I've already told you the benefits of banana in my previous drink, and banana is added so that it gives you that full feeling, so that you don't get hungry after that. So yeah, one banana goes into it, and then he adds fresh orange juice. Fresh, okay guys, no concentrate, no added sugar. We all don't need to dwell in the benefits of the citrus wonder. It's high again on vitamin, antioxidants and mineral. And 1 cup of this juice alone has enough vitamin C for the whole day, because it's so high in potassium. So just adding banana and parsley, it's just going to give you extra nutrients and vitamins, and it's great for the body, hair, skin. Winning. So all you need to do is grind it, drink it up, and call it a day. Be happy about it, because it's delicious, it's great for you, it's just going to aid in that weight loss journey, and that's about it. Okay guys, we are on to our final drink, which is my absolute favorite, because you give me this 24/7 and I'll have it happily, since it's so good for your body, for the skin, for the hair, and I call it autumn in a glass because of the color. You'll see it towards the end. It's so pretty. And carrot has vitamin A and it's power packed with nutrients. Jitu just chops 1 carrot really finely, and it adds in reducing cardiovascular disease, because it's so rich in vitamin, minerals and fiber. And adding fiber to your food or drinks has a lot of benefits in aiding weight loss, you guys. So juicing 1 carrot is more than enough, and this is an excellent source for your hair, to make your hair really strong and to improve that skin texture, only because of the vitamin A. Then he adds ginger, and ginger is the most powerful medicinal substance on earth. This is great for muscles, it has anti-inflammatory benefits, great for arthritis. Eating ginger is so good for your body, as it can reduce the urge to overeat, which is really important when you are on that weight loss journey. It balances blood sugar. It has 40 antioxidant properties, you guys, that prevents free radical damage, and it protects you against aging. This is my best friend. He also adds mint, which is very important to add mint. It's amazing for digestion and bloating, and it's a calming herb for irritable bowel movement, and it aids with upset stomach or indigestion. So it's so rich in nutrients, and very important for you to add mint in your diet. He adds a teaspoon of raw organic honey, because honey is a natural energy source and it's great for allergies. It's a healthier option for sugar basically, and it helps in digestion, and raw organic honey is phenomenal in nutrients. But if you are vegan, you can completely skip that, and you can add agave nectar. I would completely skip honey or agave, whatever that sweet substance. I could skip that, because I get that sweetness out of the orange juice itself, so that's more than enough. But if you are somebody who likes honey and wants a little more health benefits out of honey, then you can add that. So you just grind all of this up, really juice it properly with fresh orange juice, drink it up, and trust me, this is amazing for skin, hair and your body. Not only will it's going to aid in that weight loss, but you're going to see that improvement on your skin as well as your hair as well. So I hope you really enjoyed watching this video, you guys. Don't forget to follow me as well as Jitu on Instagram. You have any questions, we'll be able to assist you. You can contact him directly, or if you're in Dubai INTERCON, don't forget to go and say hi to him. And you have any other questions, do contact him directly, because he'll be able to help you and give you various other ingredients and recipes basically. So I shall see you in my next, and until later, bye for now, and I wish you all the best for your weight loss journey. Yeah, this is going to help you. Bye.